But before we begin, I just request all of you to close your eyes for a second and take some deep breath. This breathe, what you are taking, is the real power. और नो मैटर आप सारा दिन में आप कितना स्ट्रेस में थे, कितने हैप्पीनेस में थे, ऑफिस का कितना काम था, वॉट एवर यू हैव गॉन थ्रू, द मोमेंट यू टेक अ डीप ब्रेथ, instantly you get connected to yourself. You will find that for a moment all the stress you had is gone. Whatever you were going through, it's gone. So no matter you are going for an interview, or no matter what problems you are going through in your life, this is the best technique. Just close your eyes and breathe. And this is the real power. It feels good? अच्छा लग रहा है ये? And even now you will feel a connection with each other. अभी भी आपको ऐसा फील होगा कि okay, we all are connected in some way. And it's obviously Chitra is from Bangalore, Srinivas is USA, Mumbai, Delhi. We all are sitting in different locations. But आप जैसे ही you take a breath, you feel connected to everything, irrespective of your location. It's not just कि हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं तो we feel connected. You feel connected to everything around. और थोड़ी देर पहले जो heaviness था आपके माइंड में, जो आपका स्ट्रेस, everything is gone. Because the problem doesn't hold you. The stress doesn't hold you. You hold the problem, you hold the stress. आप जब बोलते हो ना I have a bad memory from the past, उसको आपके बैड मेमोरी ने आपको पकड़ के नहीं रखा है, आपने उसको पकड़ के रखा है. And even the stress which you have of the future, you are holding that stress. आपको स्ट्रेस को नहीं पकड़ के रखा. So when we say the power of gratitude, power is of two types. One power you have which comes from the ego. I have so much of money in my bank account. This is my position at my workplace. I have a bigger house. I look smart. I'm wearing this brand of clothes. आपके जितने भी material possessions हैं, उससे जो power आ रही है, that is coming from the ego. There is another power which you just have experienced by taking a break. This is power of love, power of the universe, power of the nature. That you can only feel, you can't describe it. और हम सब ने अपनी लाइफ में ये पावर फील किया है. Maybe the first time you have seen your child, that love what you were feeling, it's a kind of power which gives you. The first time you fall in love with someone, आपने एक्सपीरियंस किया होगा वो टाइम पे when you are in love, you can do anything. If that person is sitting very far away and you want to see that person, आप टाइम नहीं देखते हो, आप कितनी थके वो नहीं देखते हो, सडनली कोई पावर आ जाती है बॉडी में and you just go and see that person, maybe for a second, but you are doing that. तो आज जो हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, we are going to discuss about this power. And unless you don't understand this power, you can't understand gratitude. Because this power is given to you by nature in abundance. The other power is short-lived. आज आपका जॉब बहुत अच्छा है, you feel powerful. Next month you don't have a job, you feel powerless. As you are in love with a person who is very powerful, the same power you are feeling. The other day that person died, you feel powerless. So वो power जो है ना, it's short-lived, it's temporary. And this power, you have changed life after life. But this power which I am talking to you has been with you since the beginning of the time. That's love. वो आपके साथ हमेशा रहता है. Now, when we practice gratitude, what is gratitude? You are just grateful. आप gratitude नहीं कर पाते हो practice mostly because you are trying to mix these two powers. When you are grateful of your material possessions more, तो आपके पास जब तक वो नहीं होगा, वो gratitude भी नहीं रहेगा. Because that time you are fearful, like Kritika asked in the video. आज अगर मेरी पावर आ रही है मेरे बैंक बैलेंस पे, तो it is temporary obviously. Because now I think I have so much of money in the bank account, and with this kind of power becomes fear. The person in a political position today, in a very powerful position, but somewhere he has a fear also, fear of losing the power, fear of losing the money. And with this power, you can't experience the true gratitude. It's not possible. Because उस समय, at that point of time, you are undervaluing your true power, which is given to you by the nature. और आपके पास जो भी है material possession, वो वही power से आया. If you are grateful to the nature for everything, you can have a luxurious tap in your bathroom. But the water that is coming from the nature. So if you are grateful for the tap, so the day it is broken, वो आपका gratitude भी चला जाएगा. But if you are grateful for the water, then maybe you don't have a luxury home. You are taking a bath in the well outside, but still you are grateful. हम लोग ना gratitude को अपने accordingly use करना चाहते हैं. That is why it is not working. They say you write all the things you're grateful for. That is a very good exercise. But when you are writing it, are you truly grateful? Or you are writing it because you don't want to lose these things? Thank you God for giving me money. But if tomorrow you don't have money, are you still thankful to God? वो जो gratitude है ना, हम लोग अपने हिसाब से यूज कर रहे हैं. We want things to work according to our way. And if not, we are not grateful. और उस टाइम पे we feel fearful. तो उस टाइम पे आपका जो ग्रैटिट्यूड भी निकल रहा है, दैट इज कमिंग आउट ऑफ फियर. लाइक यू आर इन अ रिलेशनशिप, यू फील ग्रेट. नाउ यू आर ग्रेटफुल फॉर दैट पर्सन, बट इनसाइड you are fearful because you don't want to lose that person. और जिस दिन everything is temporary, if you lose that person, आपका gratitude तो उसके साथ चला जाएगा. So when I say grateful, we have to be, the best reason is this breathing which you are taking, because इसके बिना तो कुछ है ही नहीं ना. And that is coming to you absolutely free of cost. No matter आप कितने भी stress में हो, just for a second you take some deep breath, instantly वो stress चला जाता है. So you don't have to be gratitude, have to be grateful towards things which are the reason of your fear. The nature which has given you these things, if you become grateful towards that source, तो ये जो flow होता है ना, वो कभी कम नहीं होता. If you are grateful to the nature, to God, for everything you have today, so even you are grateful when tomorrow it is not there, because now you know if today it is not there, it has to be some reason. You don't leave that faith. आप बोलते हो कि मैं when things are not working in my way, मैं grateful कैसे हो सकता हूँ? अरे तभी तो grateful होना है, तभी तो faith दिखाना है. If you say I have lot of faith in God, God has given me everything. God has given me beautiful home, a good job, salary, good clothes, good car, everything. So you are grateful. Unfortunately, for some reason, God decides, okay, I have to put Shikha to the next level. और वो next level पे जाने के लिए I have to make her uncomfortable. Because आप next level पे वैसे ही जाते हो. When you are not comfortable, you go to the gym. First few days your body will pain, but slowly and gradually you will find that your stamina is increasing. Your body is the water. आप वहाँ पे जाके जो exercise करते हो, the water starts taking shape और आपका body का shape change होता है. But initially it is very difficult. That body pain you have to go through. And the next morning when in that body pain you have to go to the gym again. It is a commitment. But after 2-3 weeks you start feeling good. So जब भी कुछ अच्छा होता है, it has to go through a sort of discomfort. And it is not a discomfort as such. मेरे पास और कोई word नहीं है. That is why I am using this word. Otherwise, it is not a discomfort. Like, आप बहुत नींद में हो, and the person you love, your children, are hungry, and your child is telling you, "I am hungry. Give me something." So, no matter how much sleepy you are, you still get up and give food to your child, to your partner. That is not a discomfort. That is love. तो उसको आप discomfort, उसका कोई एक अच्छा word नहीं है. That is why I am using this word. But that is not a discomfort. So if you have a vision of the positive future, you go to the gym. No matter your body is paining, but still you know that it is happening for something good. You go to the gym, after some weeks you start feeling good from inside. So you are living a certain life, and God wants you to go to the next level. It has God has to push you to the next level. और जब आपको पुश किया जाता है, that is a discomfort nature, but that is not a discomfort. It is coming out of love. Because when you go to the gym, आपको पता है क्योंकि maybe after 3 months I will have this abs, this chest, this broad shoulders. You have that vision. But when it comes to emotions, you don't have that vision. So maybe today you are in a relationship, but it got broke up. You don't see a vision. But वो discomfort, the God, the nature which is giving you, it is for some reason which nature knows. So no matter how much you cry, how much you say that nature is bad, God is biased, I'm not grateful, no matter what, but the nature will put you in that position ताकि आप next level पे जाओ. So it is coming out of love. Imagine आप जब पैदा हुए थे और उससे लेके आज तक, why do you say that childhood was good? But you ask a child, उसको बड़ा होना है. So you are at the best version of yourself today, the best version. और वो बहुत discomfort से ही आया है. As a child, if you say a child कि ऐसा होगा, that you will grow up slowly and slowly. आपकी स्किन ब्रॉड होने लगेगी, लॉट ऑफ चेंजेस, हार्मोनल चेंजेस होंगे आपकी बॉडी में. आपको योर आई साइट विल बिकम वीक, काफी कुछ होता रहेगा आपके बॉडी चेंजेस में. देन यू विल बिकम एन एडल्ट. वो चाइल्ड को वहां पे स्ट्रेस आ जाएगा. बट व्हेन इट इज हैपनिंग अनकॉन्शियसली ऑन इट्स ओन, इट जस्ट हैपेंस. आप ग्रेटफुल नहीं हो because you don't want discomfort in your life. You want, मेरे अकाउंट में इतना पैसा आ रहा है, उतना आते रहना चाहिए. मेरी वाइफ और मेरा हस्बैंड बहुत सुंदर है, वो हमेशा लाइफ लॉन्ग वैसे ही रहने चाहिए. मेरे जो टैंट्रम्स है हर कोई सहना चाहिए. मेरे जो जॉब है, एवरी ईयर आई शुड गेट अ प्रमोशन. मेरे जो कलीग्स हैं उनको पता होना चाहिए दैट आई एम अ गुड पर्सन. मैं जब बाहर निकलूं, एवरीबॉडी शुड नो दैट आई एम वेरी काइंड. मुझे जो चाहिए मुझे लाइफ में मिलना चाहिए. ट्रस्ट मी, दिस इज अ वेरी बोरिंग लाइफ विदाउट प्रॉब्लम. तो आप जो चाहते हो ना, वो होता नहीं. दैट इज व्हाई यू आर नॉट ग्रेटफुल. Most of the children today are not grateful to their parents. No matter what parents have done. I'm not saying parents are right, but इसमें भी गलत नहीं है जितना children सोच रहे हैं. Because उनको बहुत कुछ नहीं मिल रहा है जो parents for a reason are not giving. That's a discomfort. But if the parents are doing something, they have a certain vision. I asked my daughter not to see mobile more. वो बहुत रोती भी है, but I see a vision ahead. So no matter she is crying, I'm okay with it because मैं उसका अच्छा चाहता हूँ. In the same way, whatever discomfort you are going through, it is happening for a reason. And gratitude is always and always and always and always in the present. Because you know that the future which is going to come, it is happening in my favor. When you see a pain, consciously you keep seeing your pain. टाइम बहुत स्लो हो जाता है. When you meet somebody, you are in love. आप बोलते हो टाइम बहुत फास्ट चला गया. When you are in pain, you say time is moving like a snail. बहुत स्लो जा रहा है. Time is going at the same speed. since the beginning of time. It is you who is perceiving situations according to comfort and discomfort. And no matter who, the richest person in the world or the poorest person in the world, आप दोनों से पूछ लो, everybody has gone through good times, bad times. Good times, bad times, good times, bad times, good times, bad times. ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता that you only have bad times. अगर ऐसा हो रहा है, maybe your vision about it is short lived. आप जो फ्यूचर में देख रहे हो, you are thinking आज मेरे पास सैलरी नहीं है, tomorrow I will not be able to pay the EMIs, then I have to pay my children's school fees, वो नहीं हो पाएगा, then my parents want money, मैं उनको नहीं दे पाऊंगा, then maybe ऐसा होगा कि my friends are asking me to come for a party, मैं नहीं जाऊंगा because I don't have money. आप ये सब सोच रहे हो. The same thing you must have thought maybe 1 or 2 years earlier. पर आपने भी देखा होगा, आपने जितना बुरा सोचा था उतना बुरा हुआ नहीं. और अगर आप इस एक्सपीरियंस से नहीं सीखे, तो you will be the same person, good times, bad times. When you hold to your faith, you see comfort and discomfort the same. Money you have is good, but with faith you know it's a flow. वो किसी और के पास था, आज आपके पास है, किसी और के पास होगा. वो जो चेन है ना, वो चेन चलता रहेगा. And you are part of that chain. You are giving to someone else, again you will receive. You are giving to someone else, again you will receive. It's a chain. स्ट्रेस में आप अपने आप को चेन से बाहर खड़ा कर देते हो. Then you will see the chain moving, but you are not part of it. So gratitude is in the present. Whatever you are going through in life is for a reason. और उसको go through करने के लिए जो life है ना, वो भी important है. Because you have come to this body to go through. And there is no such thing as go through. It is always grow through. It is always grow through. So you are always growing all the time. मैंने कुछ टाइम पहले एक मैसेज किया था, विशिखा ने बोला था, बहुत अच्छा है. That nature is always either living or dying, no in between. वो in between हमेशा इंसान ही रहता है. But if you see the gratefulness, gratitude, you are either growing or not growing. That's it. If you are in stress, you are not growing. If you are in gratitude, you are growing. So I'll start taking the questions. पर उससे पहले एक छोटा सा जोक, थोड़ा आपको लाइट अप करने. There was a Sufi fakir who was passing through the jungle. तो उसने देखा दो लोग है ना, बहुत रो रहे, बहुत जोर जोर से रो रहे. उसको बेचारे को दया आ गई कि क्या हो गया इनको, why they are crying like that. तो एक इंसान से पूछता है पहले वाले से, भाई क्यों रो रहा है? बोलता I was in relationship with a girl. 10 साल का रिलेशनशिप था, बहुत प्यार करता था. हाथ में उसके नाम से मैंने खून से उसका नाम भी लिखा था, उसको खून से मैं लव लेटर्स लिखता था. मैंने सब कुछ किया उसके लिए, बहुत खर्चा किया, बहुत कुछ किया. एवरीथिंग आई हैव डन फॉर हर. अपने घर वालों को छोड़ दिया जस्ट फॉर दिस पर्सन. एंड दैट पर्सन आज उसने मेरे को छोड़ के किसी और से शादी की. बहुत पेन में है. इस गाय सूफी फकीर को बहुत बुरा लगता है. वो आई फील वेरी सॉरी फॉर ऑल द चैलेंजेस यू हैव फेस्ड. वो दूसरे से पूछता है, भाई तू क्यों रो रहा है? बोलता है जिस लड़की ने उसको छोड़ा उसने मेरे से शादी कर ली। The point is कि what you are saying is pain is your perception, your happiness is your perception. जिसको मिल गया वो भी रो रहा है, जिसको नहीं मिला है वो भी रो रहा है. So wherever you are, just be grateful. That's it. Thank you very much, and I'll take the questions.